Dear students, today we will learn second example, reduce 150 by 750 to its lowest term. Here two methods are possible. So first we will learn first method. First we have to write factors of 150 and factors of 750. Factors of 150 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75 and 150. Factors of 750 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75, 125, 150, 250, 375 and 750. Next, common factors of 150 and 750 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75 and 150. Here we have to divide 150 and 750 by their common factors. Let us divide the numerator and denominator by their common factors. Here we start with 2. 150 by 750. 2 75s are 150. 2 375s are 750. Next, 75 divided by 375. Next, we have to take common factor 3. 3 25s are 75. 3 125s are 375 is equal to 25 divided by 125. Next we have to take common factor 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 25s are 125 is equal to 5 by 25. Here we no need to take next common factor because 5 and 25 is not divisible by 6. So we have to take same common factor only, that is 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 1 by 5. Therefore, 150 by 750 is equal to 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is lowest term of 150 by 750. Here we used only 2, 3 and 5 common factors to find lowest term. So 2, 3 and 5 are the common factors of 150 and 750. Dear students, we can solve this problem through one more method. Let's learn second method. Here first we have to find the HCF of 150 and 750 by common division method. Here we have to take smallest number as divisor and greatest number as dividend. 150, 5 za 750. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. So, HCF of 150 and 750 is 150. Therefore, HCF of 150 and 750 is 150. Now, divide the numerator and denominator by HCF 150. That is 150 divided by 150 is equal to, if you divide 150 by 150, the answer is 1. And 750 by 150, when we divide 750 by 150, then the answer is 5. Therefore, 150 by 750 is equal to 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is lowest term of 150 by 750. Let's solve exercise 9a. In the third one, reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. The first one, 68 by 136. Here I will use second method. So first we have to find the HCF of 136 and 68 by common division method. Here we have to take smallest number as divisor, that is 68. Greatest number 136 as dividend. (68) to the 136. 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, HCF of 136 and 68 is 68. Therefore, HCF of 136 and 68 is 68. Now divide the numerator and denominator by HCF 68. That is 68 by 68. When we divide 68 by 68, then the answer is 1. And 136 by 68. When we divide 136 by 68, then the answer is 2. Therefore, 68 by 136 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is lowest term of 68 by 136. Let's solve second one. 102 by 119. Here also first we have to find HCF of 119 and 102 by common division method. Here we will take smallest number as divisor, that is 102, and 119 as dividend. One hundred and two, 1 the 102. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here remainder is 17. Next step, remainder becomes divisor and previous divisor becomes dividend, that is 102. 17 6 are 102. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, HCF of 119 and 102 is 17. Therefore, HCF of 119 and 102 is 17. Now divide the numerator and denominator by HCF 17, that is 102 by 17. When we divide 102 by 17, then the answer is 6, and 119 by 17. When we divide 119 by 17, then the answer is 7. Therefore, 102 by 119 is equal to 6 by 7. Here 6 by 7 is lowest term of 102 by 119. Today's homework: solve exercise 9A in that third one, C to J in your maths notes.